This is going to be a short tutorial on using PowerPoint for Mac. I'm first going to go ahead and pull up PowerPoint, and as you can see there are several themes to choose from for your presentation, or there are other templates that you could choose from over here as you can see on the left hand side. I'm going to use a theme. I'm going to choose the one that I want and it will bring up my first slide. I can then simply click to add text, which I will do, and subtitle. I can go back and highlight this text to change the font or the size or the color. Any kind of changes that I want to make to the way it looks, I can do that. And I can move that text box around as well if I'd like to. I'm going to just quickly do the same here. I can make it bold and I can make it bigger. Let's make it a different color. And there's our first page. Now we want to go in and add an additional slide for our presentation. We just come to the left and click New Slide, and it will give us one. And I'm not going to add a title for this one because I'm going to do something else down here in my media. And you can see that there are different media aspects to choose from. There's a grid or a charts or smart art, pictures, video. I'm going to add a picture. So as you can see when I hover over here it says insert picture from file. I'm going to click on that, and I've already gotten several pictures that I've saved for this presentation in my iPhoto. I'm going to go down and find the one that I'm looking for. It's going to be the cover of the book, and I just simply choose that and insert, and it will insert. And then down here I can edit it, I can crop it or rearrange it however I'd like. So that's going to be that page, and I'm going to just take this box out. I'm just going to cut it just like you would in any other word processing program. I can make this a little bit bigger, and there you can see is an additional slide. So then I can come in and add a new slide, and I'll go back and put the title in on this one. Let's see, I'm going to talk about the characters in the book, and I'm going to add some text. This is going to give me my bullet points that I need. I'm going to type in my text. Just going to add a little bit of text and then go back in and show you another way to add a photo. Let's see, we can go up here where it says insert picture, and we can choose a picture from our browser or our file or clip art. We can also choose any shapes, media. If we have videos or anything like that to put in, you can choose that there. We're going to just put another picture in, and I do have those saved just like the others. I'm going to come down here and find my other picture and put it in there, the baby birds. And then we can maneuver this and make it larger, move it around as we want to apply to our slide. So there you go. There's another slide. For time's sake, I'm going to come up and show you a couple other things we can do for each slide. We can add transitions. You can click on your slide, and up here it says transitions. And you can choose what kind of transition you would like for each slide to have. You can fade or push, wipe. There's a number of them here. Random bars. Just choose the one you want. Then we can go to the next slide, do the same thing. Next slide, we can do the same thing again. And it just adds some neat effects and transitions. Let's go up to our slideshow now, and just to show you real quickly, you can record a voiceover for your PowerPoint. And to do that, you go to Record Slideshow, and it'll bring the screen up and you start recording there. And you can record for each screen, stop it, go to the next screen, stop it, go to the next screen, and so on for your entire presentation. And then when you're finished, exit. We are not going to save those. That was just for an example. And then let's go set up our slideshow. This is going to be presented by a speaker. I'm going to use all my slides, and I'm going to do them manually for this example, meaning I'm going to move them. You can set them up using timings, and that way it will just run by itself. But for this presentation, I will just show you quickly how to change the slides. And we're going to come back and start from the beginning. You can see the transitions and how they move. Now I did manually, so I need to move this. And there you go. And obviously you can see you can add as many slides as you need for your particular presentation. This is just a very basic